I can't speak for Quebec law, but just to use Ontario law as a barometer, the law in family law with respect to custody rights and visitation rights or access rights goes accordingly. It goes by the province or by the law of the location where the child resides. So in your case, your daughter is governed by Quebec law. And in Ontario, for example, if you, for example, were to live in Oshawa and your daughter, just by way of example, were to live in Barrie, you would actually have to go to the Barrie courthouse to seek any rights or remedies with respect to your daughter. And likewise, because your daughter's in Quebec, you would actually have to go to Quebec or to the Quebec court in the city in which your daughter resides in order to get access rights. But before you even speak to lawyers and go to court, the first step that you should take is you should speak directly to your daughter's mom and see what she has to say about what rights you have to your daughter. If her answer is she doesn't want to have you part of her life, then you know what you need to do. You need to hire a lawyer and to seek your legal remedy. But if you're able to work things out directly with her mother, even if it's a gradual basis, you might think, well, I don't want to go there just for a half an hour or half a day or a weekend. But the best thing that you can do is to begin a gradual relationship with your daughter so that you guys will bond. Because if you do that, it's always easier to grow on that. It's a difficult situation, no question. It would have been preferable for your daughter and her mom to live around the corner from you, and you would be able to spend a lot more time with her. But such is your situation. You were with a woman that's in Quebec, and her daughter's there now, and your daughter's there. But the good news is Quebec is not that far, and depending on your work schedule and your life schedule, you might be able to have a very good relationship with your daughter. And we also live in a different era. Although your daughter's very young, in the next few years, she's going to be using the internet, and she's going to be able to use video conferencing, and you're going to be able to have a lot more contact with her in 2007, 2008 than if you had a child 15 or 20 years ago.